Hello students, good morning. Now we are going to discuss position of a straight line in the plane of a circle. In previous class we stopped at this concept. Now we are going to discuss about this concept. The position of a straight line in the plane can be divided into, as shown in figure, three parts. One is the line meets the circle in two distinct points, that is the first case, and the line meets the circle in one and only one point, that means the line touching the circle. Third case, the line does not meet the circle, that means L and the circle have no common points. Now we will discuss, we will take one circle equation and one line equation and we are going to find the conditions accordingly. See that the line y equal to mx plus c does not meet the circle x square plus y square equal to r square. Here the line y is equal to mx plus c does not meet the circle x square plus y square equal to r square. That means the line do not intersect and it is away from the circle. Observe in the diagram, this is the circle equation whose center is 0, 0 and radius is r. The line y is equal to mx plus c is, it is away from given circle. From circle to any point on the circle, from circle center to any point on the circle, we know that is radius. From circle center to find the distance to the line, that is d. From this diagram we observe that the value of d is greater than r. That means the perpendicular distance from center of the circle to the line is greater than radius of the circle. So d, we know that the perpendicular distance from origin to the line is mod c by root of a square plus b square. Mod c, by here c is c only, a value is m and b value is minus 1. Why we can take this side? So a square plus b square means 1 square plus m square. Mod c by root of 1 plus m square is greater than r. Cross multiply, mod c is greater than r into root of 1 plus m square. Squaring on both sides, we will get c square is greater than r square into 1 plus m square. Now keep in mind, the line y is equal to mx plus c does not meet the circle x square plus y square equal to r square. Then the condition is d is greater than r, that is c square is greater than r square into 1 plus m square. Now we will move to the next two concepts. Now this is very important condition. The line y is equal to mx plus c touches the circle x square plus y square equal to r square. This is the circle equation whose center is 0, 0 and radius is r. The line y is equal to mx plus c is touching the circle. That means it is a tangent touching the circle at this point. Whenever line touches the circle, the distance from center of the circle to this line is equal to radius of the circle. Observe in the diagram, r is equal to d. So r equal to d means what? Perpendicular distance from origin to this line only, no? So r equal to mod c by square root of 1 plus m square cross multiply r into root of 1 plus m square is equal to mod c squaring on both sides r square into 1 plus m square equal to c square. You have to remember that the line y is equal to mx plus c touches the circle x square plus y square equal to r square if c square equal to r square into 1 plus m square. This point is very important. You keep in mind. After that, c square is equal to r square into 1 plus m square, no condition. From this c make as a subject, c is equal to square root of r square into 1 plus m square. Square root of r square means plus or minus r we will write. Y means in geometry we don't know the value of c whether it is in first quadrant or second quadrant. That is the reason we are taking that c value or plus or minus r into square root of 1 plus m square. We'll move to the next concept. The line y is equal to mx plus c meets the circle x square plus y square equal to r square in the two distinct points. Observe in the diagram here, this is the circle equation. This is center 0, 0, and this line y is equal to mx plus c meets the circle in 2 points a and b respectively. And find out distance from center of the circle to this line, that is d. That means perpendicular distance from center of the circle to the line, and from center to any point on the circle is called the radius. So this distance. From this diagram we observe that the distance from center of the circle to the line is less than radius of the circle. D is less than r. D means what? Mod c by root of 1 plus m square. It is the perpendicular distance from origin to the line. So mod c by root of 1 plus m square is less than r. Cross multiply. Mod c is less than r into root of 1 plus m square. Squaring on both sides. C square is less than r square into 1 plus m square. So now any line y is equal to mx plus c meets the circle in two distinct points. Then we have condition d is less than r. That means c square is less than r square into 1 plus m square. Here I have given as a formula. Some students don't know about the formula of perpendicular distance from origin to the line. That is mod c by root of a square plus b square. We will move to the next concept. If p of x1, y1 and q of x2, y2 are 2 points on the circle S is equal to 0. This is the circle equation, S equal to 0. Here one point P of x1, y1, here another point Q of x2, y2. The line joining of these two, chord joining of these 2 points is called equation of secant to the circle. Equation of secant to the circle. How to write that equation? That is S1 plus S2 is equal to S12. S1 plus S2 is equal to S12. It will help for some competitive exams. Just keep in mind, if P of x1, y1 and Q of x2, y2 are 2 points on the circle S is equal to 0, then the equation of secant or chord join 2 points is S1 plus S2 is equal to S12. After knowing this concept, we will enter into the equation of tangent and equation of normal we have to discuss. Now, equations of tangent and normal to the circle S is equal to 0 at a point P. This concept is very important. You remember that it will come for 4 marks. How they will ask the question? They will give one point and one circle. They will ask to calculate equation of tangent and normal. So, first point, the equation of tangent at the point P of x1, y1 to the circle S is equal to 0. S is equal to 0 means general equation of circle. I already discussed in the previous classes what is S meaning. So S is equal to 0 is S1 equal to 0. Even in notations, I told that S1 value x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. How to remember easily also I said, whenever equation of tangent is there, in place of x square it will become xx1. In place of y square, y1. In place of 2gx, in this 2g half is what? G into x plus x1 we have to add. And 2f of is f, y into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. This is equation of tangent. Observe the diagram in this circle. In this diagram, see here, this is the tangent equation. The normal is always perpendicular to the tangent. The equation of normal at P of x1, y1 of the circle S is equal to 0 is x minus x1 into y1 plus f minus y minus y1 into x1 plus z is equal to 0. Once again I'll repeat, x minus x1 into y1 plus f minus y minus y1 into x1 plus z equal to 0. And regarding normal equation, one important point is there. Observe in the diagram, the normal equation at any point on the circle is always passes through the center of the circle. You have to remember, the equation of normal at any point on the circle is passes through the center of the circle. Observe in the diagram. This is the normal equation which is perpendicular to the tangent. This normal is passing through center of the circle. That means this is the if and only condition case. Any line passes through the center of the circle, it means it represents a normal equation. It represents a normal equation. We move to the next concept. We will give that example for equation of tangent at a point to the circle. Once again we recollect the formula for equation of tangent. See that the equation of the tangent at the point P of x1 y1 to the circle S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is S1 equal to 0. What is S1? X1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. Observe, this is the diagram. S is equal to 0 with the circle, and this is the tangent equation. It touches at the point P. Any line touching the circle at that point P is called point of contact. That also you remember. Sometimes they will ask, find the point of contact to the circle when the line touches that point. That also we will discuss in the coming classes. We will see this example. Find the equation of the tangent to x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0 at minus 1 comma 1. First given point is minus 1 comma 1. Given point is always you remember as x1 and y1. x1, y1. Given point. Next given circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. This we have to compare with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. 2g equal to minus 6, then g is equal to minus 3. 2f is equal to 4, f is equal to 2, c is equal to minus 12. After getting up g, f, c values and x1, y1 values, the equation of tangent, you have to write formula. This formula you have to write it. x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. In place of x1, y1, in place of x1 and y1 and g, f, c values substitute in this equation. So minus 1, 1 are the values of y1 and x1. So x into minus 1 plus y into 1, g value is minus 3. Minus 3 into x plus x1, x1 value is what? Minus 1. So x minus 1 plus f value, f is equal to 2, f is equal to 4 means f is equal to 2. 2 into y plus y1, y plus y1 value is 1 minus 12 equal to 0. After that you can simplify, you will get 4x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. If only one point and one circle is given, they will ask to calculate tangent, means it will come for 2 marks. If not only tangent equation but also normal equation, then it will come for 4 marks. We move to the next question. Condition for the normal. This is only very important example problem, and it is asked in board model paper in your textbook backside. Board model paper. So show that the line Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0 is a normal to the circle S is equal to 0. The meaning of S is equal to 0 means what? General equation of circle. General equation of circle. If and only if LG plus MF is equal to N. This line is a normal to the circle. If and only if we have to prove that LG plus MF is equal to N. How to get this condition? First you have to write that given line. Given straight line is Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0. That line is what? Normal equation they are saying that. So the straight line Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0 is a normal to the circle S is equal to 0. So whenever the line is a normal to the circle, we already discussed that whenever the line is a normal, that line is always passes through the center of the circle. That means, what is the center of the circle? General equation of circle minus G minus F. So minus G minus F lies on this line Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0. So wherever x comma y is there, replacing with minus G minus F, L into minus G plus M into minus F plus N is equal to 0. Both the minus values we can take this side. Minus Lg we can take this side plus Lg. Minus Fm we can take this side plus Fm is equal to N. Therefore, Lg plus Mf is equal to N. This is the condition. The line Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0 is a normal to the circle S is equal to 0. So important for 2 marks. We'll move to the next question. This question is related to normal as well as some other application. Find the area of triangle formed by the normal at 3 comma minus 4 to the circle x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y plus 25 equal to 0 with the coordinate axis. First you have to understand the question. Find the area of the triangle formed by the normal at 3 comma minus 4 to the circle with the coordinate axis. So first, given point x1 y1, that is 3 comma minus 4. After that, given equation of circle x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y plus 25 equal to 0. This equation comparing with general equation of circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Then 2z equal to minus 22, 2f equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 25. So 2z is equal to minus 22 means g is equal to minus 11. 2f is equal to minus 4, f is equal to minus 2. So x1, y1 is 3 comma minus 4. Now write that normal equation at x1 comma y1. We already discussed that x minus x1 into y1 plus f minus y minus y1 into x1 plus z equal to 0. In this formula, this is the formula. In this formula, we have to substitute the value of g, f and x1, y1 and simplify x minus x1. x1 means what? 3. Into y1 plus f. y1 value is minus 4. f value is what? Minus 2. Minus y minus y1. y minus y1 value is minus 4. Minus of minus 4 plus 4. Into x1 plus z. x1 value is 3 plus g. g is equal to minus 11 equal to 0. So x minus 3 into minus 6 minus y plus 4 into 3 minus 11. So x minus 3 into minus 6 minus y plus 4 into minus 8. First we have to multiply that. Minus 6x plus 18. Here 3 minus 11 is minus 8. Minus into minus plus. So 8 into y, 8y plus 8 into 4y. So it will become 8 into 4, 32. After simplifying, you will get 3x minus 4y minus 25 equal to 0. This is the normal equation of line. This normal equation of line, what they are saying is, it is looking like ax plus by plus c equal to 0. this line cuts the coordinate axis, you will get x-intercept and y-intercept. X-intercept is denoted by A and y-intercept is denoted by B, small a, small b. So the straight line cuts the x-axis at this point. How we will get this point? On x-axis, y coordinate is 0. Here y is equal to 0 if we take 3x minus 25 equal to 0, x is equal to 25 by 3. Therefore, that is called x-intercept. So, a comma 0, a value is what here? 25 by 3. Again, this line meets the y-axis at this point. On y-axis, x is equal to 0. So, 0 minus 4y minus 25 equal to 0. Minus 4y is equal to 25. Y is equal to 25 by 4. Minus 25 by 4. This is x-intercept A. This is y-intercept B. Therefore, the required area of the normal with coordinate axis are half into AB. Half into A value. This is A value. 25 by 3 into B value is minus 25 by 4. Therefore, half into 25 into 25 is 625. By 4 into 3 is 12. 12 to the 24. Therefore, 625 by 24 square units. This is the required area of triangle formed by the normal at the point 3, minus 4 to the circle. Move to the next question. The length of chord, this concept is very important for 4 marks. Consider a circle S is equal to 0 and the line L is equal to 0. We observe that for this circle, the line which cuts into two distinct points A and B, this is a chord equation. L is equal to 0 is a chord. Whenever the line cuts the circle in two distinct points, this length AB is called the length of chord. So the length of chord we are going to calculate formula for that. So from C you draw one perpendicular which bisect the line segment AB. Therefore AD is equal to DB because it is a midpoint. So AB we can write it as AD plus DB. So AD is equal to DB. Therefore AB is equal to AD plus AD to AD. AB value we got it. How to get AD value? AD. From center to the line, the distance is denoted by small d, and from center to the point on the circle is radius. But here AD only. So by using right angle triangle formula, Pythagoras theorem, AD square plus DC square is equal to AC square. That only I wrote here. So AC square is R square is equal to AD square is AD square plus DC square, that is small d square. So in this we make as a subject AD. So AD is equal to square root of R square minus D square. This is the value of AD. After getting of AD value, now write formula. The length of chord AB is equal to 2 times of root of R square minus D square. That is AB equal to 2 into square root of R square minus D square. This formula is very important for 4 marks. Keep in mind. We'll move to the next concept. I'll take one example regarding length of chord. Find the length of chord intercepted by the circle x square plus y square plus 8x minus 4y minus 16 equal to 0 on the line 3x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. This type of problem is very important for 4 marks. You remember that. Whenever you are going to calculate a length of chord, first what values we have to calculate from the given data. First given circle write it and calculate their center and radius. After that from circle center to the given line calculate perpendicular distance. See that first the center of the given circle C is equal to, first given circle you have to write it, x square plus y square plus 8x minus 4y minus 16 equal to 0. I already said that in previous classes, center of the circle is equal to minus coefficient of x by 2 minus coefficient of y by 2. So C is equal to minus 8 by 2, that means minus 4, minus minus 4 by 2, that means minus of minus 4 plus 4 by 2. So 2. So this is the center of the circle, and radius r equal to root of this value is g square, this value is f square, and c value is minus 16. So 16 plus 4 minus of minus 16 is plus 16. 16 plus 16 is 32 plus 4 36. Root 36 is 6. Radius is equal to 6. Let the perpendicular distance from center of the circle to the line 3x minus y plus 4 equal to 0 be d units. B d units, that is d is equal to, we will calculate. So perpendicular distance formula, we know that ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. See that in this line 3x minus y plus 4. So in place of x comma y, minus 4 comma 2 substitute. So 3 into minus 4 minus y into 2, in place of y 2 plus 4 by root of a square means 3 square plus b square means minus 1 whole square. That only here we wrote. So minus 12 minus 2 minus 14 plus 4, minus 14 plus 4 is minus 10. Mod minus 10 is plus 10 by root of 10. It is in the form of 10 can be written as root 10 into root 10. So one of the root 10's cancel, it will become root 10. So d is equal to root 10. D value we got it, and radius value also we got it. So both the values substitute in the formula for length of chord. Length of chord is equal to 2 root of r square minus d square. R is equal to what? 6. We got it as 6 square minus d square, root 10 whole square. So which is equal to 2 into root of 36 minus 10, which is equal to 26. Therefore the length of chord is equal to 2 root 26. We move to the next question. These are the concepts. The equation, this also important for 4 marks. The equation of tangent with slope m to the circle are in the form of the line y is equal to mx plus c touches the circle. X square plus y square equal to r square. I already said that c square equal to r square into 1 plus m square. So c is equal to square root of r square into 1 plus m square. It will become plus or minus r into root of 1 plus m square. That is the value of c. C value we got it. Next, the equation of tangent, after getting the value of c, substitute in the line y is equal to mx plus c. Therefore, the equation of tangent with slope m to the circle x square plus y square equal to r square will becomes y is equal to mx. In place of c, substitute plus or minus r into root of 1 plus m square. It will become y is equal to mx plus or minus r into root of 1 plus m square. This is the formula for equation of tangent with slope m. Next, the equation of tangent with slope m to the circle s is equal to 0. S is equal to 0 means general equation of circle. Whenever in this equation circle center is 0 comma 0, no? So y plus 0 equal to m into x plus 0 we can write. Plus or minus r into root of 1 plus m square. Here, if this circle center is minus g minus f. So y minus of minus f equal to m into x minus of minus z plus or minus r into root of 1 plus m square. This is the formula of equation of tangent with slope m to the circle. You both the formulas you have to remember. For this formula, they will ask find the equation of tangent to the circle which is parallel to the given line, like this they will ask, which is perpendicular to the line, like this they will ask the question. In the next class, we are going to discuss the problems related to tangent with slope